Let's go and check out. See lots of people in there enjoying it. Everyone taking photos, making videos like me. It looks quite impressive. Keep off the grass. I've been ignored. I'm going to try and get a distance away so we can come up at it and see how cloud-like it is. See if I can get some distance. I hope they put it in a bit of a more open area. Just back up. You know, you've got all trees around, so you can't really get a good glimpse of it as a whole from a distance. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So right, you can kind of see a cloudy type structure amongst the trees. So now let's go in and get a cool up front look. So kind of like metal and plastic glass, and then you kind of walk up and, you know, like, figure out where you can stand. You can't really get that high, I don't think. I don't think you're allowed to go. Like, I thought you could really climb all over it, but it doesn't seem to be that way. It's like these stepping blocks where you can sit around. Ugh, it's a bit weird. There's a nice cafe thing inside. You can buy coffee, chill out. It's pretty cool. I wanted to get really high and climb over. I thought you could really climb all over it, but it's definitely not that way. Let's see how high you can get. Yeah, this is about as high as you can get. It's pretty high. But it would have been cool if you could just climb all over it, like get really up to the top. But that would have probably been like a health and safety nightmare. Like security people making sure that you don't climb all over it. Oh man, they should have let you get really high. I'm really disappointed. I want to get up there. Total health and safety letdown. Serpentine gallery. So that is Serpentine Gallery's Pavilion, done by some Japanese architect guy, 2013, and it looks cool, it's fun and nice, but I'm a bit disappointed that you can't climb all over it and just like get up to the top.